Okay, today we are talking about repairing cracked grout. Okay, so you can see the cracks in this tile grout in the shower stall. The danger here is if that crack gets deep enough, you can get water intrusion down inside the wall. This is on a second floor bathroom. Obviously, you wouldn't want water to get in the wall and then leak down onto the ceiling on the first floor. So you want to make sure everything's clean and dry in the area you're going to be patching. And this particular product, the directions say it needs 72 hours for a full cure. So this is a brown grout that we're going to be repairing. So here's a product we're going to be using. It's a sanded silicone-based caulking that's designed for this specific type of application. You buy these at your local home center or online. And here's the caulking gun. And I use this grout scraper to slightly enlarge the cracks. I'm simply going to drag it and score it across the cracked grout lines. That's going to clean out any loose debris, and it's going to open the crack just a little bit more, so it'll better accept the sanded grout sealant or silicone that we're going to be applying today. You just simply scrape it along the cracked, damaged area. I'll take an old dry paintbrush and clean off the dust that I just made, because again, you want a nice clean dry surface for this repair. Again, if you didn't know, on a caulking gun, most of them have some built-in tools. On the side here, there's a little hole with the blade. That's for cutting off the tip of a new caulking tube. Simply put the tip in that hole, squeeze the trigger, and it'll cut off the tip for you.
Woo!
There you go. And there's a piercing tool right here that you swing out, and you use that to pierce the seal down inside that caulking tube. Like so.
Wow.
I'd recommend to have several rags or several paper towels on hand for this repair. I cut that hole a little bit too large, so I'll probably get to clean up my caulking bead. But basically, in one smooth, continuous motion, apply the caulking to the joint. You can see that's a little bit too large of a bead. To clean that up, you can use one of these flexible rubber squeegees. You can buy them just about anywhere. I'm just simply using a damp paper towel. And there's the finished product. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.